everybody here. Welcome to this kind of little mini series of videos I'm going to be doing on YouTube in conjunction with Cake Decoration and Sugarcraft magazine. This little mini series is all about cake textures. Textures, textures, textures. Any good cake decorator should always have a few techniques kind of up their sleeve because you can use them again and again and again. So, to start off with, thought we would start at the beginning in my mind, which is a texture that I have used right from the get-go, and that is grass. And today I'm going to show you 3 methods to achieve 3 slightly different grass effects. The first one, mossy grass. Okay, this is super easy to achieve, and it's a quick go-to I use for loads of different cakes. The second one is a slightly more textured cut grass. Reminds me a bit more of an English lawn. This is made using coconut. So you're not always going to be able to do this. Some people have allergies or just don't like coconut, but it's a great one and it offers a really sort of lovely gritty texture, which I quite like. So that's the second one. And the third I'm going to show you is a slightly more shaggy, long grass, quite nice with animals and things sitting on top of it. All achievable at home with things that you've probably already got at home and really quick to do. So let's show you how it's done.
So the key thing when you start is to get a good grass colour. Grass isn't just green, believe it or not. So I've gone with pre-mixed colours and I've just showed you that I've actually put in some yellow and some brown because you want a grass that has got a bit more depth and tone to it. Now for the moss grass, this is super simple. All you need is a plastic bristle brush, clean, sterilised and used only for food use. But you can see that I'm pushing in and repeating and it's giving me this gorgeous dimpled texture. And then if you really just want to go in and enhance that further, all you need is a little bit of petal dust. I've gone for a slightly darker green here, a forest green, and you can see that's just really helped highlight those dimples. Number 2, cut grass. This is coconut. I've used Magic Colours Garden Green. And if you're finding it difficult to mix it in, you could just put in a few drops of alcohol or rejuvenator spirit, and that will just help ease that colour into the coconut. And you can see there I've just put in a little bit of yellow. In the same way, we want a 2-tone effect. I'm painting my sugar paste with some edible glue, and then I'm literally just sprinkling and pressing my green coconut grass on top. And this should stick. So you can see, you can shake off the excess and your grass will stay put. This is really easy and what a great effect. I love this one. And the third way, this is for long grass. Now you want to use an open star nozzle tip, preferably a large one. Doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. What you want essentially is a jaggedy edge, and you want to push that into the fondant at an angle, drawing back up so that you create those almost like blades of grass, and you want to be random in your application. And then if you want to accentuate that, go in with some scissors and just pull that up slightly for those tips. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can go over with a little bit of airbrushing. This is pistachio green from Spectrum Flow, and I've just put a little tinge over that.
And that's it. Grass 3 ways, edible grass 3 ways to be used on top of cupcakes, to be used to decorate cake boards for a novelty cake or a sports cake, or even to be wrapped around a cake as a tier. You choose. So I hope you found that useful. Like I say, watch out, there's going to be many more videos coming on textures. If there is something specific that you would like me to cover, ping me a message. You can find me at Sugar Street Studios, social media, or just message me below this video, and I'd love to hear your feedback, so I want to make sure that we cover everything that is going to be useful to everybody. And that's it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please, it would be very nice to have you on board, and then you'll know as well when all this new content comes out. So in the meantime, happy grass making, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. See you soon.